In today's episode we are checking out the amazing Tofu and Tempeh factories of Jakarta, close to the slum area. We received a guided tour through multiple family-owned facilities where it is tradition since decades to produce handmade tofu and tempeh. We received so many insights and also got lots of nice tempeh to try fresh out of the pans. So many beautiful insights. Enjoy our vlog.
Kampung rawa.
Kampung rawa.
Kampung is village.
Yeah.
Kampung is village.
Subtitles.
And them.
Yeah, we have them at home. Yeah. And here they are growing.
Indonesia.
Really nice.
Tempeh.
This is all the tempeh.
What is the tempeh?
This is the tempeh.
So, from soybean.
Okay.
So they fermentate with yeast.
Okay.
And then it's become like this.
And how do you eat it? Like
you can eat it raw, but usually Indonesian they cook it with they fry it with oil.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tempeh goreng. We call it goreng is fried. Nasi goreng, tempeh goreng.
Yeah.
And inside is the factory.
Inside is the factory here.
But we will go to the Tofu Factory first.
Yeah.
Tofu Factory.
Right.
Yes. Cool. So we are entering now the Tofu Factory. Hallo.
Ja.
So viel links ist sehr heiß. Wow.
Afternoon, they fry the tofu.
Wow.
So tofu become like this.
Wow.
They clean it.
What is on the? Is it salt?
Yes.
To get the moisture out of it? Or?
No, to make it delicious.
Delicious.
Prancis mana Om?
Tofu. Also here tofu. Wow. Halo.
Halo Pak ya.
Tempeh.
Oh wow.
Tempeh.
Tempeh everywhere.
After they wrap, they put here for 3 days.
For 3 days.
Yeah.
There's a tofu that's here. And also there.
wrapping. You will see. She will wrap the plastic with this.
What? Really?
Yes.
What you mean? She burns it?
Yeah, she puts the plastic and then.
This is for the mosquito.
Yeah.
But she wraps very fast.
Loro apa loro gambar? Sip. Yo. Yo ya. Iki banyu bersih, digawe ngumbah.
Number one.
They import soybeans from the USA.
Baru ya.
50 kilo.
50
50 kilo, 50.
Ya,
50 kilo. Ya.
Iya.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bye guys.
Okay.
Oke. Sip. Ya.
Yeah.
Tuh udah digoreng.
Goreng nih.
Bersih
We
putih.
just received tempeh out of the Tempeh Factory.
Yes.
And we will try it now. Still hot, huh?
Yeah, still very hot.
Very good.
Tempeh garing.
Terima kasih.
Kering.
Thank you. Makasih.
We just received a present. Tempeh crispy. So kind. We were just passing a market where they sell forbidden things like monkey meat and many other things. And that in the middle of Jakarta. Crazy to see that this is tolerated by the authorities.
Pets.
Pets? Okay.
Ayam, chicken. Oh, a lot of them. This is all
Yeah,
from
and
there.
all inside.
Over there.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's finished.
And finish.